Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding your account so Outlook can fetch mail and calendar items. Tap Add Account, type your address, then your password. This authenticates you. Once done, grant mail and calendar permissions so messages and events sync. Make sure to choose sync frequency, push for instant delivery, or 15/30 minutes to save battery. Also enable notifications so you don't miss urgent items. This initial setup connects Outlook to your data and prepares the app for the next steps. Now you organize and process email efficiently. Turn on focused inbox so important mail surfaces. Swipe right to archive, left to delete. Gesture settings are in options. Create folders from the folder panel and move messages by dragging or using the Move menu to keep your inbox tidy. Once done, set rules to auto-sort recurring senders, flag high-priority items for follow-up, and enable quick replies for fast responses. These steps reduce clutter and let you focus on what matters. Finish by mastering calendar and search so you can act on what you receive. Sync calendars and create events from the plus button, add details, set reminders, and invite attendees. This keeps schedules aligned. Use search with filters like from, subject, or date range to quickly find messages. If syncing stalls, first toggle account sync or restart the app. If that fails, remove and re-add the account or clear the app cache to reset credentials. That troubleshooting step resolves most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.